been a couple of weeks since the majority of the cows left the barn, so I thought I'd give a little update as to what we are up to here. We are still busting our behinds every single day. I don't think any of us really realized how much work it is to transition a building after having been milking cows in it for 3 years. So we are just working away at getting things dismantled and cleaned and, you know, ready for their next purpose in life. So a lot of pressure washing. I'll show you some of that. A lot of dismantling of things. For instance, I'll turn around. There used to be fans there. I'll show you that. They came down. I have already shared how the cows have left, so the stalls are empty. But we're just working at getting everything clean and ready to move to its next home. Like the robot there has been fairly cleaned, but I've not done this gate yet. So we'll just move that out of the way so the robot looks better without that dirty gate there. Lots more to do still. The people that bought the metal in the barn, all these stalls that are over here, are going to start dismantling them, and that'll really make the barn look different. So all of these over my shoulder, all gonna leave the barn within sounds like a couple of weeks. So that's really gonna change the look, but I thought I'd share. We're still trying to have a good time. Sunday morning out in the rain was not really such a good time. That's why I kind of look like a drowned rat today, because I couldn't find my raincoat. Pressure washing, definitely. It gets super gross doing that. But we're really just going through and getting things emptied and cleaned where we can. There's still heifers in the barn. I don't think you can see them because I think they're all laying down, but still about 65 heifers. So we still have the feeding system going. We still have the floor scraping system. You know, people are still showing up to take care of them. So business continues as usual as far as they're concerned. And the rest of the time, we're dismantling. We've had some visitors and people just checking things out as it goes. It's not quite as chaotic, no middle of the night calls, but still a lot of work going on. So yeah, that's where we're at. We've also fitted a lot of fun. Well, I know I have. I don't know about everybody else, but yeah, I've taken a drive up to Big Moose, which is in the Adirondacks near us. I've done some kayaking, a little camping, you know, to dinner. It's nice to be able to, you know, squeeze some of those things in and not worry if the robots are going to call me and interrupt what I might be doing. So trying to squeeze a little fall fun in. Oh, we did that too. Pumpkins, apples, you know, classic upstate New York fall stuff. So a little bit of truck driving. Not a lot, but some here and there. So I'll let you see for yourself. Check it out.
Unloading the alfalfa combox because that was being fed to only our milking cows, and since they're all gone, we have no one to feed alfalfa to now. So Mom is control app to run a test on the box, and that is what is allowing us to only dump out the alfalfa into the skid steer bucket.